Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in the 2012 EC paper. The question is the input x of t and output y of t of a system are related as y of t is equal to minus infinity to t x of tau cos 3 tau d tau. The system is, we have to find whether it is time invariant or stable or not. So for a system to be time invariant, shift in input must be equal to shift in output. If this condition is satisfied, then system is time invariant. So let us see what is shift in input. Shift in input. So shift in input I write as y of t comma capital T. So I need to shift input minus infinity to t. Input is x of tau we know, so that I shift by t. Cos 3 tau d tau. Okay, now I shift output. Shift in output. Here you see I shifted only input, so that is shift in input. Now I shift output. Output is y, so y of t minus t. We know in mathematics if left hand side is changed by one variable, that's a way. If in left hand side one variable is changed, everything the same variable should be changed all over the equation. So minus infinity to t wherever you find it. So x of this t or tau is representing t only, so tau minus t cos of 3 tau minus t, right, and dt. Okay, so what happens, the equation is now differing. Okay, so now this is equation number 1, equation number 2. So you see 1 and 2, shift in input is not equal to shift in output. So the answer is 1 is not equal to t. So it is time variant system. Okay. Next we have to check causality. So stability. Stability means time variant or not time invariant. Stability, bounded input should produce bounded output. Okay, so what they have given, y of t is equal to minus infinity to t, right, minus infinity to t cos x of tau cos 3 tau d tau, x of tau cos 3 tau d tau. This is what they have given, right? So bounded input, let me give one bounded input. Bounded input, for example, x of tau I gave as cos 3 tau. This is one bounded input, right? Bounded input means what? Input amplitude or input value should be bounded. This is cos wave, so it is bounded only. Cos, sine, everything is bounded. So now we have yes minus infinity to t. This I gave bounded input, so cos 3 tau into cos 3 tau d tau. Okay, so what I get is, so minus infinity to t, minus infinity to t cos squared 3 tau d tau minus infinity to t 1 minus cos 6t divided by 2. So what it will give if I substitute and d tau. If I simplify this integral, what I did, minus infinity to t 1 by 2 d tau minus infinity to t cos 6 tau by 2 d tau. So this will be equal to infinity. Infinity means it is unbounded, so it is not bounded. Bounded means the value should be finite, so it is not bounded. So this output is not bounded. So bounded input not producing bounded output, so it is not stable. So the given system is not bound, not stable, not time invariant. So the answer is it is not time invariant and it is not stable. Option D. Thank you.